So for this episode, I'm gonna make 2 variations of one of my favorite drinks, and it's the Espresso Martini. The first one is gonna be how we do it at Iberico Tapas and Bar in Uppsala. We begin with 5 centiliters of cold brew espresso, 4 dashes of chocolate bitters, 2 dashes of salt solution, 2 centiliters of Mexican coffee liqueur, Kahlúa, and then to round it all off, vanilla vodka. Because all of these ingredients are from the same part of the world, and as the saying goes, what grows together goes together. And then to shake this up with good ice, always good for espresso martinis for maximum dilution, chilling, and texture. Time to shake. Shaker's frosty. Let's strain. Always make sure you fine strain these drinks. Look at that. And to garnish it, 3 coffee beans, of course. Now to taste this one, the Iberico Espresso Martini. That's a dang good espresso martini. Vanilla, chocolate, coffee, sugar, everything that espresso martini needs. Cheers. For the second one, we're gonna do my take on a classic espresso martini, how I would do it at home or in a bar if I got a classic espresso martini order. We of course begin with 3 centiliters of cold brew espresso, 1 centiliter of sugar, 2 dashes of salt solution, 2 centiliters of Borghetti Espresso Liqueur, which is a very, very good liqueur if you can open this bottle. Tack. 2 centiliters of Borghetti Espresso Liqueur, and 3 centiliters of Absolut Vodka. And then to shake this out with good ice. Shaker is cold, drink is done. Look at that. Cold honey badger Nicanora glass, of course. And of course, fine strain this too. Look at that. The beans, of course. So this is my take on the classic espresso martini. The specs, classic specs, but with some other products. Cheers! That's a dang good espresso martini. Cheers. See you in the next episode.